a joyful noise. All the earth sing unto the Lord. Make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise. Come before his presence with thanksgiving. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving in your heart. Come into his courts with praise and adoration. For the Lord is good, his mercy everlasting. His truth endures to all generations. Know ye that the Lord, he is God. It is he that made us. We are his people, sheep of his pasture. Bow down and worship, lift your voice, say, serve the Lord with gladness. Come before him with singing. Serve the Lord with gladness. Joy in our hearts we're bringing. Hallelujah, hallelujah. We praise your holy name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Forever you remain. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before him with singing. Serve the Lord with gladness. Joy in our hearts we're bringing. Hallelujah, hallelujah. We praise your holy name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Forever you remain. Be thankful unto him. Bless his holy name. For his goodness follows us all of our days. From generation to generation, your faithfulness will never fade away. We will not be silent. We will testify of your loving kindness reaching to the sky. Every tribe and nation, every tongue confess, Jesus, you are worthy, you are righteousness. Build with intensity drums, horns, bass. The Lord is good, the Lord is good. His mercy endures forever. The Lord is good, the Lord is good. His truth remains to age. He is faithful, so faithful. He is able, so able. He is worthy, so worthy. We declare it, we declare. Jehovah, you are good. Jehovah, you are kind. Jehovah, you are kind. Jehovah, you are faithful. Jehovah, all the time. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before him with singing. Serve the Lord with gladness. Joy in our hearts we're bringing. Hallelujah, hallelujah. We praise your holy name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Forever you remain. Slow down, worshipful. Enter his gates with thanksgiving. Enter his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him and bless his name always. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord. All the earth, sing!